What up, boys? I'm back with another trading session. Today I will take some trades based on candlestick psychology. So let's get it started. Um, we had a rally based drop here, and it goes up to retest this area, and it's coming from this level here. And yeah, if this candle closes right on here or even higher, I can go with sellers, but this is opposite of the trend, so it's not very safe to go with sellers here. Um, Let me see how the candle is gonna react. Okay, there's buyers. You go with buyers here, but typically you can go with sellers on these kind of situations. But there's a strong seller, strong buyers, and yeah, if you look at the past, every time the buyers engulf the sellers, there's a green candle. Every time they engulf, there's a green candle, and even the piercing line, green candle. So no problem going with the buyers here. And also, I saw the buyer's strength here. No problem. This we probably lose this trade, but no problem. I mean, losing this trade, it's not a bad thing because we noticed this area of market is pretty strong. That price cannot just pass away. So I'm just gonna wait for the next candle to see how it's gonna react. If this candle is red as well, and if it has enough rejection, I can go with buyers for the next candle if it closes above this line. So let me see how. Okay, let me draw the line. If this candle closes right above this line, I can go with buyers. If not, there's a high probability of this pattern being a double top and just continue going down. Okay, so you see the rejection. Okay, so I can go with buyers here. I placed 2 trades because we lost one, so we have to make it up. And this trade is basically a nice trade, so I will risk it and take 2 trades here. The next level is here, and this is pretty strong level. Okay, I can, no, I see rejection. So we might have a red green pattern here. So I was about to go with buyers, but for now it's not safe. I'm gonna add one more. Okay, we have a bad market here, but we love the bad markets because we can enter on rejection points. Okay, everybody says that don't trade on OTC, don't trade on bad markets, but I'm not that type of guy because I really like to challenge myself, and you know, I really like trading these kind of markets because it's pretty easy, you know. If this candle comes down somewhere here, I can enter my buy position because there's a high probability of, you know, this candle going up. Okay, let me draw my entry points. Okay. These kind of markets, if you see big candles, okay, if it comes a little more higher, come on, man. Okay, I enter right here, and this is going to be a winning trade, okay? Because this is a bad market, and in bad markets, you see long shadows, just like this. And there's going to be a long shadow to the downside, just like this, just like these, just like these. And this is an easy trade, okay? See? It's going to reject, don't worry. Okay, let's go to the next trade. Okay. So we need to just back it off a little bit and see what's going on. So we had a healthy uptrend. We had a ranging market. We had a healthy uptrend. We had a ranging market. Again, we had a pullback. This is not a downtrend. This is a pullback basically. And it's going to go up just like this. Okay. So this is the market structure. But in this structure, you can also see some other structures, just like here. You see the LC momentum, you see the ranging market, you're going to see a drop, okay, or pullback. Then you're going to see market going up. That's how it is. The market, it's like a freaking onion, okay? I'm going to go with buyers right here. It has like, it's a freaking maze. You have to understand that you have to fix up your mindset that the market is like a maze. And if you look back on it, you see some uh rally, range, pullback, and you zoom in and see rally, range, and you might have a pullback here, okay? So you gotta be aware of that. Oh, the market just stopped. Holy shit, my connection is just messed up, I guess. Let me fix that thing real quick. Okay, I fixed the issue, and this was a draw. And unfortunately, we have some internet issues, so okay, let's take the next trade. Yeah, I'm gonna go with sellers right here because I see some sellers activity here. As you can see, there's a hammer and sign of buyers, and we were lucky that we had a draw here, and then sellers came again, and we have a lower low, even lower than the. Is this lower than that? It's not very. Yeah, it's same as this one, but still, this is seller's presence. So the seller's gonna probably break this range to the downside. As I said before, there's gonna be a pullback. So I guess it's more logical to go with sellers, I mean. But I don't know what this candle is, but it shows the strength of buyers here. So I'm gonna just wait. I might have to wait to see what's gonna happen after this one. If it comes down straight and fast, just like this, it means it's gonna break to the downside. If not, it's gonna go up and then it's gonna come down because it has to have a pullback, keep going to the upside. And it made a double bottom here, and yeah, we probably could take this trade, but I just wanted to see what's going on in the market. Yeah, you always have to take your time when you're trading because there's tons of opportunities, and if you push trades, you're gonna most likely you're gonna just lose money. Okay, I might even wait for the next one because it's not very clear. We might have a retracement candle here. Okay, what is going on here? Okay, I can go with sellers here if it goes up a little more. Okay, I go right here. And I'm gonna enter one more here. Okay, let's go. This is a downtrend, right? Oh, it's the same bad market. Nice. Okay, guys, this is gonna be my last trade. Um, so remember, if you are a trader or trying to be a trader, if you're learning, you have to believe that it's not one get rich quick scam or something like that. You have to be patient, and even you lose a trade, you just have to keep on the track. You have to be, I mean, you if even if you lose a trade, you don't have to fall off the track, and you still have to take your next trade with your same strategy. Okay, and my strategy here, even though I was lost last previous trade, we have a large candle here. Okay, I told you in my, I guess that was my previous video, I don't know, I don't remember. If you see a large candle, doesn't matter, it's a green one or red one. If the next, let's say this is a red one, okay, let's say this is a red one and it's pretty large, it has little shadows and shit, and you see the next two candles are in this range and it's the opposite color. Okay, so let's say this is a red, you see the next one, next two candles, something like this, with a rejection or without rejections. So for the next one, you're gonna look at the trend, and if the trend is a downtrend, you can go with buyers, I mean the sellers, for one candle. Okay, just like this. So this is huge candle strategy, so I call it a huge candle. So it creates you a range, and if you see and there's a range, okay, you see this, you can go with the sellers for one candle. So that's it, and hope you enjoyed my live trades. If you did, drop a like for me, hit the subscribe button. Thank you for watching. Peace.